Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make raw hummus. First, let's prepare our main ingredient, chickpeas. You'll want to soak 1 cup of dried chickpeas in plenty of water overnight or for at least 8 to 12 hours. This step is crucial for softening them, making them easier to blend into a creamy texture. After soaking, drain and rinse them well under cold water. This ensures a fresh start for your delicious hummus. Now, let's get blending. In your food processor, combine the soaked and rinsed chickpeas with 2 tablespoons of tahini, which adds a wonderful nutty flavor. Next, squeeze in the juice of 1 large lemon for that essential tangy brightness. Don't forget to add 2 cloves of fresh garlic for a pungent kick. These ingredients form the heart of your raw hummus, creating a robust and flavorful base. To achieve that perfect, silky smooth hummus texture, we'll add cold water gradually. Begin by adding about 1/4 cup of cold water to the food processor. Blend thoroughly, stopping to scrape down the sides as needed. Continue adding small amounts of water, about 1 tablespoon at a time, until your hummus reaches your preferred creamy consistency. This step ensures a light and airy finish. Finally, it's time to season and serve your homemade raw hummus. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of ground cumin for warmth. Blend briefly to incorporate. Taste and adjust any seasonings as you like. Transfer your creamy hummus to a serving bowl. Drizzle generously with olive oil, sprinkle with paprika, and garnish with fresh parsley. Enjoy this healthy and delicious dip with your favorite dippers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.